In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Stripe Atlas account. Now, if you're looking to close your account with Stripe Atlas, there's a straightforward process that you can follow. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you can be sure you're doing everything correctly. First, you'll need to head over to your Stripe homepage. If you're logged in, you should see your dashboard. Now, this is where everything starts. Once you're there, look towards the top left corner of the page. You'll notice a drop-down button next to your account name. Go ahead and click on that. It's important because this drop-down gives you access to the various settings you need to manage your account. After clicking the drop-down, the next thing you need to do is select Settings. You'll find this option in the menu, so give it a click. Once the settings page loads, look for the Business section. Clicking on Business gets you into the heart of your account management area where you can make significant changes. Now, as the page loads, you will see an area labeled Account Details. This is where you can make the final move to initiate the deletion of your account. Look closely and you'll find an option to Close Account. Clicking this will begin the process of closing your Stripe Atlas account. It's a significant step, so make sure this is what you want to do before you proceed. Once you click Close Account, you might be asked to confirm your decision. This is just a safety measure to ensure that it's really you making the change and that you're certain about closing your account. Follow any prompts that appear, and you should soon have your account closure in process. Remember, closing your account will mean losing access to all of the features and data associated with it, so ensure that you have retrieved or backed up any necessary information before you proceed with these steps. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated the process of deleting your Stripe Atlas account. If you have any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Stripe's support team for additional help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.